universities like George Washington and Queen's College London. What an honor being in your presence, sir. May I please call forward, join me as I welcome Dr. Ashutosh Khatakar.
Thank you so much. That was quite an introduction. I was not expecting it so. But मुझसे ज़्यादा दिग्गज लोग शायद यहाँ बैठे who are really known in real estate far better than I am. एक तो सामने बैठे हमारे गुरु जिनसे हम real estate सीख रहे हैं. So thank you all for coming. The idea for this evening is to equip people. The idea for this evening is कि हम क्या बेहतर कर सकते हैं. And we have always been time and again interacting on this. आप में से कसिनो कितने लोग हैं? कसिनो गए? कोई कसिनो नहीं गया? अच्छा, कितने लोगों ने कसिनो इंग्लिश मूवीज में देखा है? कसिनो होता कैसा है? देखा है ना कसिनो कैसे होता है? अगर आपने कसिनो देखा होगा तो you will be surprised that the way the casino is designed and the way the casino is operated, there is a pure science to it. कसिनो का वो हर कलर, वो हर म्यूजिक एक न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट डिसाइड करता है जिससे आपको रात को नींद ना आए, वो कलर्स देखते हैं. वो उस कसिनो में फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन इन्फ्यूज करते हैं ताकि when you breathe that fresh oxygen, you don't feel tired. All of this is not done for your well-being. This all has been done so you should spend more to play better. So much study is been done when you are gambling. Imagine we are in business. So the idea of today's evening is to equip you with that specific oxygen, that specific energy, so we can do something better. And for that we have our architects, my sense that everyone is here to equip you, to armor you furthermore, that how can we achieve these numbers. Now the rainy season is coming, obviously people come back, kids go to school, your new kind of that physical starts. भूख तो लगती है ना, business तो होना चाहिए. So having said, they say when the market becomes greedy, be fearful. But when the market is fearful, be greedy. So this is the right time to do business. And I've seen most of the best players have always done the best business in June, July, and August, before festive as well. So I'll take you through a small presentation where I'll introduce you. Most of you know Siddha. मैं आपको ले जाऊंगा एक छोटी सी जर्नी पे, दिखाऊंगा कि who are those people who are behind this business, who are those people who are kind of pillars of this company, what have they achieved. This is just to infuse, to make you know that what we say we deliver. Can we? So basically Siddha is primarily kind of nesting of 4 pillars. Some of them, the top 3 pillars are Siddha Group, which the brand itself suggests. They have total 38 plus years of construction experience. They are primarily a Calcutta based group and they have done a huge work there. मतलब net वो Calcutta के लोगा है. If you want to put a right perspective to that, they are one of the top developers of Calcutta. Then we have Sejal Group. Sejal Glass को सबने सुना है, it's nothing new with Sejal Glass. So basically, either they may not be as players, the kind of players what Siddha is in real estate, but they understand business very well. So Sejal Group is also a stock exchange listed company, known in Mumbai market, and Dheeraj Bhai, Amrit Bhai, the owners, the players are known for their work in this fraternity of business. And Star Group, obviously, again a very prominent real estate player from Calcutta. Now they're kind of spreading their roots in Mumbai, both Siddha, Sejal as well as Star Group. And I promise the way they are getting the acquisitions and the way they are spreading their business in Mumbai.
Incoming voice call from +9.
Very good. So, Star Group is again a company from Calcutta who is primarily into real estate. Again, known for their construction, known for the financial management, everything. basically, as I repeated, I'm repeating again that Singapore is with 30 years of experience, they have expertise in real estate. They have done a mixed use of residential, commercial, and retail spaces in Canada. And they have delivered more than 15 million square feet, not a small number to speak. 15 million square feet in a place like Canada is huge, or possible something in Mumbai. And they have more than 7.5 million square feet going around, including Udaipur, Mumbai, and Canada. So primarily a group who knows what they are doing, a group who understands the pulse of the business, a group who can envisage and understand how the real estate will work. And I'm sure what they have delivered in the time span, they have delivered it kind of speaks for itself. So, as I said, the training center, so we have already done building in Gandhivali as Secret Proceedings to Pyramid Organization. They were first to introduce rooftop skywalks, a very unique concept. Primarily, you must have seen this in Singapore. Everyone comfortable in English or Hindi. Janta, Hindi, English.
How many for Hindi?
Comfortable in English or shall I go switch to Hindi? What? English. English.
If you go for national level, it's very good.
So, इन्होंने इंडिया से सबसे पहला स्काईवॉक बनाया. तो स्काईवॉक का concept ऐसा है कि आपके सारे को connectivity you can see from top level as a skywalk on the first. The best part about skywalk is this kind of architecture is in Singapore. Singapore में बहुत दिखाई देता है. इंडिया में शुरू करने वाला पहला ग्रुप था. Calcutta it's a big hit and now they are doing it here at Sindha Sky. So this is one of the very unique feature. आप अपने clients को बता सकते हो कि just not a flat. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप सिर्फ फ्लैट बेचने जाओगे तो इस मार्केट में नहीं दिखेगा बिकॉज फ्लैट सब बेचते हैं. ओके, सो वी विल हैव टू सेल समथिंग डिफरेंट. तो व्हाट इज दैट वी कैन से प्रोबेबली स्काईवॉक एंड they are the first one to create a luxurious township in Jaipur. First studio apartments in Kolkata, first duplex apartments in Kolkata, and a very high-rise building in Jaipur. Jaipur not being known for commercial places, but they have created a high-rise building in Jaipur which are commercial. Few of the pictures how the skywalk would look like, and that's a Sindha Galaxy that you can see the skywalk is made there. So these are few of the artistic impression as well as actual project pictures. How they envisage their business, how they envisage their construction, how they envisage their design. About Sejal Group, as I said, primarily I'm certain Sejal Group का glass में नाम सुना है, Sejal Glass. They used to have the biggest factory in India, which was in Gujarat, over 440 acres. They are in real estate, they are in insurance, they are in intelligent facade and more. So they are basically into a lot of diversified businesses, understand and have strong roots in India. The factory was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji. Our startup again, 27 years old business house. They are into freight vessel management. They are into containers, shipping. Again, a strong one company. The reason to tell you all of this to show that the group is financially a well-off group. They are not dependent on banks, so financially very, very strong. So we created the first building in Mumbai, that was in Gandhivali, OCDC. We delivered it in 60 months straight at 3.5 square feet construction in 12 months. So we have gone with the best because we believe in the best. That's the reason we have the best people sitting here today with us. So we have Hitachi lifts, we have, go back to the slide and not be in hurry please. Yeah. So Provet, Senkoban, one of the best fittings are being used. And secondly used here in Sindha Sky. We are also being kind of appreciated with the highest project of the year by Construction Week India also 2023. That's some actual images of the building. sold out. I would like to call upon, so thank you all, thank you for being here. We are always there to help you, we are always there to grow with you, and I would request you to take over from you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.